Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I'll show you how to check your PC laptop specs on Windows. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your search tab on your PC and then search for settings and then click on settings and then make sure you're on your system tab here, and then from here scroll all the way down and then click on the About tab. And now this will give you information about your system, what processor you got, installed RAM, and all that stuff. But if you want to find out more information about your graphics card and that, I'll show you that in 1 second. Alright, so what you need to do now is close out of this and go back to the search and type in system information. Right there, so click on system information. This will open up more specs about your PC. So as you can see, my processor, BIOS version date. If you look down here, you can see the installed physical memory. Alright, if you want to find your graphics card information, just go ahead and expand the components. And then from here, you want to click on display. And as you can see, I've got an Intel UHD graphics card and a GeForce GTX 1060 with Max-Q design. So yeah, that's it guys, how to see your system specs inside your PC or laptop.